All right, Tic Toc Toe, 3 in a row. That's the aim of the game, but with props. So we've got our cones.
Wait, no, man.
We've got our, wanna gone on a spoil the effect. We've got our
Cones. Yes.
And we're using them to get 3 in a row on the ground. Why never have 3 in them, man?
Because it's the only way you can win Tic Toc Toe.
No, we're supposed to run back and take them out 1-1 as a unique, say. So we are the 3 in your hand. Okay, you start teeth already? Okay. So let us begin.
No, it have to stand up. You
No, I mean, I don't make a reach
it
now.
have
I'm
to
going
stand
to make it stand up, sir.
It have to stand up. It have to stand up.
You have to stand up.
Nothing can go on now. It's done. It's
You
done.
need.
You know, me nearly lose. I have to nearly put it. Come again.
But let me ask a question though.
Wow.
It's 1 cone, it's 2 cone shot.
No matter.
I mean,
Nothing couldn't go.
you're supposed to have a cone for each hula hoop.
Yeah, but nothing couldn't go on a while ago.
You may drop one, eh? All right, but your time is start. Why are we putting them in the bag?
Because it's you just tell me you must take them out
No,
of the
you
bag.
need to so but we don't have till next week. Why you trying? Why you terrible, you say bad? Come, you start.
Me first.
Jesus.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner
Him win for sure.
is Never Curtis.
Why you young like medical one?
We can get one more?
Come now, youth.
You first again now. Yeah, no. You did again.
But then again, yes.
Well,
2-0.
yeah.
Your boss?
There's a boss. Dead boss. Well, news in 5 going to go on till 8:30 this morning.
You have 1 more minute worth of TikTok.
Wait a what?
Your boss?
All right, folks, we're going to go for a break. When we come back, yeah, hula hoop.
Me can't hold up.
Delia will take us to the break.